Android phones getting stuck on boot screen is not common and usually occurs when applying a new update or installing from an unknown source. So, here are some effective ways to fix boot issues on Android. Force restart or reboot is the first thing you should do whenever your Android device gets stuck on the boot screen. To perform a force restart, press and hold the power button on your phone for 30 seconds, and let go of it once the device turns off. Leave the device for a minute or two. Now, turn it back on to see if it boots up normally now. If your phone is not getting past the boot screen, low battery can also be a factor, so you can try plugging your phone into a power outlet and perform a force reboot as mentioned to see if it fixes the issue. Next, if this does not solve the issue, you can try booting into safe mode. Power off your device completely. Now press and hold the power button and wait for the logo to appear. Once the logo appears, press and hold the volume down button and your phone should boot into safe mode. Now, if your phone boots into safe mode normally, then you can be sure that the issue is occurring due to some third-party app on your phone. Try uninstalling some recent apps and restart your phone to see if the issue is fixed. If removing apps doesn't help, you can try wiping out the cache data on your phone. Here's how to do it. Power off your device completely. Now, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the device turns on. Now, one thing to note is the correct key combination to enter into the recovery mode will differ by brand and make of the Android device. So, once you are in the recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option. Now use the power button to wipe the cache. If all the methods above fail, then performing a factory reset might be your last option. Turn off your phone and enter into recovery mode by pressing the power and volume down button at the same time. Inside the recovery mode, use the volume buttons to scroll through the menu and highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Wait for the process to complete and your device will restart. It will be as new as it was when you first bought it. And that's all for now. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for your Android and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.